sir. You already know what it is. Hey, this is a little different right now because usually this man he has a microphone and he doing all the interviews like, hey, what's going on? Nah,
we switching it up.
We switched it up today. You know what I'm saying? This is my homeboy. He in the building right now. Nick Cannon. Oh, I shouldn't even told him that. If they don't know that, something wrong with them. Something wrong with them if they don't know that, man. Best drummer at A&T, man. You know what it is, man. It's going down.
All the way.
Hey, man. What's up? All-Star Weekend is popping, man.
Man, it's popping out here. Y'all got the city on fire. So, I'm just happy to be here and be a part of everything that's going down.
Hey, man, I can't believe you even made it here because I seen what you did for Valentine's Day. I don't even know how you even made it here.
How you leave something like that, right?
How do you even do it?
Man, I got to be at two places at one time. That's how we do it. And, we work it out. It's a lot of hours in a day. So, you get your Valentine's on. It started at midnight. You see what I'm saying? And, when you do what you do, you put everybody else to sleep and you sneak out the house and do what you got to do business-wise. It's player stuff. You understand?
Hey, he think I don't know. He spent some of that throwback drumline money and made some clones of himself, and they be everywhere because he got clones on the talent show. He got clones on the Soul Train. He on BT. He just everywhere. He everywhere. And he's still the team president.
Yeah, you got it.
I know what it is, man.
Man, you know what it is? I got a lot of jobs. I got a lot of occupations, but I only got one goal. You know what I mean? That's to take it over.
Hey, let them know about the label, man. You know what I'm saying? Because you've been popping this Incredible for a minute, man. I know.
Yeah, I know what it is. It's incredible. It's a real movement. You know what I mean? They don't really do what I do anymore. Back in the day, you would have camps who would really just jump out there and really, give people opportunities. And, they're not really doing that as much right now. And I'm trying to do it in a real 360 way, in a way where not only do we have artists and music and we manage and everything, but we also have consumer products from the headphones to the tablets to the gear and then obviously what we do more than anything is we create content. So, we producing movies and TV and everything. So to bring it all together and you got, acts like my young boys, the Wonder Bros, you know what I mean? And they they got the youngins going crazy right now. And at the same time, their movement is going to go to a whole nother level and everything. So you're going to see them just all through Incredible, just kind of representing as well.
Well, yeah, that's the best place to be. I know you're gonna slide them in there. They're gonna be like, I seen them today. They swagged out. They in here. They chilling. Where they at anyway? They should have been over here somewhere. Where they at, man? Come on, man. Look, check them out.
Together. These dudes are superstars right here all day.
You know how to do this. Let them know.
Tell them your name.
I'm Tool. I'm Guinness. And we the Wonder Bros.
That's what's up. So where you guys from?
Long Beach, Cali.
Now tell me about your record that you got out right now.
Drop It featuring Save the Gemini. It's turned up, so go listen to it. Buy it on iTunes, Amazon, and Google Play.
There it is. Tell me about the ladies.
Oh, the ladies, they love us, We love them too.
Oh, yeah, way to be humble.
Hey, look how quick he did that. Speaking of that, you know what I'm saying, you already know he got him ready. Yeah. This Soul Train thing, that's close to my heart.
Yeah, man.
That's close to my heart right there, man.
Yeah. It's one of those things where I went and, I got the brand. It was one of those things that was kind of sitting dormant for a while. And I was like, this is something that was part of my heart as well. I actually started off as a Soul Train dancer. So I was like, you know what, let me elevate this show and take it to a whole nother level, bring it to network television. And from there, we getting ready to start filming in a couple of weeks. So it's going to be crazy.
Hey, man, because that was my first national performance on Soul Train.
Yeah.
And, rest in peace to Miss Don Cornelius, you know what I'm saying? Yes, 100%, man. Yeah. So that touched me right there, man, that you even did that. You know what I'm saying? But give them your internet stuff. Make sure they give their internet stuff out because the girls going to be hitting me up asking me about them, and I know it.
Absolutely. Well, everything we got is nickcannon.com or incredible.com. And then these dudes right here, go ahead and let them know.
Wonder Bros with a Z. Everything, Twitter, Instagram, all that, Wonder Bros.
Yeah. There it is. Nick Cannon, Wonder Bros. It's incredible. Turn up.
Boom. Hey, we out, Fat and all that. Pow.
Yeah, Fat and all that.